Editing a Wix website is a user-friendly process with their intuitive drag-and-drop editor. Here's a concise guide. Log into your Wix account. Visit the Wix website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Access the Wix editor. In your Wix dashboard, locate the website you want to edit and click on Edit Site. This launches the Wix editor. Navigate through the editor. The Wix editor is divided into sections: the left panel for managing pages and site structure, the top toolbar for general settings, and the main canvas for content editing. Edit text and images. Click on any text or image on your site to edit it directly. Use the toolbar that appears to customize fonts, colors, and other formatting options. Add elements. Drag and drop elements from the left panel onto your page. Wix offers a wide range of elements, from text boxes and images to more advanced features like forms and social media integrations. Customize design. Customize the overall design using the design option in the top toolbar. Change colors, fonts, and other design elements to match your branding. Manage pages. Add, remove, or reorder pages using the Pages menu on the left panel. You can also create subpages and adjust the navigation. Preview your site. Regularly preview your site to see how changes will appear to visitors. This helps ensure your design is cohesive and functional. Save your changes. Click on the Save button regularly to save your progress. Wix automatically saves your work, but manual saves are good practice. Explore advanced features. Wix offers advanced features like Wix Code for more customization. As you become more comfortable, explore these options for enhanced functionality.